At Sakura Finetech, our commitment to quality and innovation drives us to create revolutionary products that advance patient care. Nowhere is this more evident than the Tissue Tech Genie advanced staining system. The Genie represents a pinnacle of quality and innovation in IHC and ISH staining. Behind this innovation is Sakura Bioscience, our talented team of scientists and technicians dedicated to pushing boundaries and ensuring exceptional results. Behind our high-quality stains and reagents is the Sakura Bioscience reagent development team. These antibody artists meticulously craft and refine the reagents and antibodies that power the Genie's superior performance. Every new IHC stain developed by the team goes through a rigorous process of testing and validation. This process isn't complete until the stain meets our high standards. Their dedication is reflected in the results. Genie IHC stains consistently receive an optimal score from third-party quality assessment organizations such as NordiQC, proving that our commitment to quality translates into real-world performance. Once a stain is validated, the Sakura Bioscience production team carefully produces each reagent batch, adhering to strict protocols designed to ensure both consistency and stability across every batch we produce. Employing advanced techniques and precise measures, our team ensures that each reagent meets our exacting specifications for optimal performance in IHC staining. Our strict quality control measures throughout this batch production process are fundamental to ensuring the ultimate reliability and accuracy of every capsule and cartridge we produce. At the heart of the SBS production area is the automated capsule machine. This technological marvel is what makes the Genie's innovative and one-of-a-kind single-use capsule system possible. The automated capsule machine is responsible for creating over 500,000 Genie capsules every year and ensures that each one is crafted with the precision and accuracy needed for optimal IHC testing. The success of Genie lies in the creativity, passion, and unwavering dedication of the Sakura Bioscience team. From initial reagent development to final manufacturing, their commitment to quality and innovation drives every aspect of the process. Their teamwork ensures that every Genie system delivers exceptional staining results that histology labs across the world can rely on. Precision, innovation, excellence. This is the Sakura Bioscience team. Quality is us.